after the declaration of results in the elections, what is immediately next?
As we all know, the election results for the state legislative assemblies across 5 states were declared on May 4. In some states, the governments were formed. Do we need the mandate of the electorate to be translated to the mechanism of the governance, which is the government?
How many among us know the process regarding forming of government? Let's inquire about it in the contemporary context of elections to state assemblies.
In the context of elections to a state assembly, after the declaration of the results by the Election Commission, the parties of the pre-poll and post-poll coalitions who have secured simple majority or more need to stake their claim to form the government before the governor, and the invitation for the same has to proceed from the governor.
But there are certain aspects which assumes importance depending on the emerging scenarios.
The leader of the party elected by the Parliamentary party or the leader of the pre-poll and post-poll coalition who have secured the simple majority or more will stake the claim to form the government on furnishing objective data regarding the same. And the governor, on being convinced of the same, will invite the concerned to form the government, which will materialize the administering of oath of office and secrecy.
The leader of the party elected by the Parliamentary party or the leader of the pre-poll and post-poll coalition, which has secured the most number of seats but not attained the simple majority just by falling short of the sufficient numbers, may stake their claim to form the government and requesting their time to conduct the floor test to demonstrate their simple majority or more at a deferred date. In this instance, the governor has the discretion to extend their invitation to the concerned to form the government and may require the floor test to demonstrate the majority and to be conducted at a particular date. The governor has the discretion to set the time frame for the floor test.
As a corollary of the earlier scenario, if the governor is not inclined to positively act upon the claim to allow demonstration of majority to floor test on a deferred date, can insist demonstration of the testimony of having the simple majority at the threshold itself and then honor the claim for formation of government. The invitation to form the government by the governor honoring the claim state manifests when the governor appoints the chief minister, the leader who commands demonstrable simple majority as per Article 164 Clause 1 of the Constitution of India, and later appoints the Council of Ministers as advised by the Chief Minister.
It's interesting to note that the basis of the discretionary powers exercising by the governors in the matter of extending invitation to form the government can neither be seen on any express constitutional provisions nor in any legislative framework. On the other hand, the precedents, conventions and the practices reflects broad commitment towards the constitutional ideals, democracy and rule of law. And the powers is structured according to the emerging scenarios.
It must also be added that this exercise of power has been subjected to judicial review many times. The courts have by and large insisted for objective satisfaction of the governor and have repeatedly acknowledged that the floor test conducted on legitimate terms is the litmus test in this regard, so that hung assemblies can be avoided. The infamous horse trading, manipulating the mandate in the elections can be kept at bay.
So, this is the beauty of Indian democracy.